Good evening, my friends. Here we go. We are starting the hard challenge today. It is extract. Can you extract the secrets from the library? The librarian rushed some final changes to the web application before heading off on holiday. In the process, they accidentally left sensitive information behind. Your challenge is to find and exploit the vulnerabilities in this application to extract these secrets. So here we go. I already have the virtual machine started. And I also have my Kali box fired up. So first thing is first, I need to get that IP address. So let's assign a variable here to the IP address so it's easy for us to target. We're going to run an nmap pnon nmap all. Oh, you know what? I need to call my variable instead. So, SC, that stands for the standard common scripts. There are thousands of scripts for this. SC, that is me typing it twice. That's why you always read your commands. Service version. And we're printing this all out to an nmap all. -p, dash. This dash means all 65,000 ports. Let's get going. Bang. Here we go. We got port 22. Running this version. Apache 2.4.58. Running on HTTP. Let's go to that website. Okay. So it looks like a document library. Interesting. What did I find? 2.4.58. Alright, JS deliver, Bootstrap, and Ubuntu. Alright, let's turn this off right now. Alright. Available documents, dummy and lorem. Dummy is a dummy PDF file. Interesting. Let's take a look here. Look at this. CVSSM1 PDF. Huh. I wonder what that stands for. Okay. Suspicious already. Lorem? Ah, lorem ipsum. And what is this? Same thing? CVSLMF. How curious. Let's see what this could possibly mean. So, I am going to do a CVS SM1 lookup. And I need to get this thing to stop scanning every page. Alright. There is no official term or standard known as CVSS-M1. M1. CVSS-M1? Is that a hint? I mean, it's verbally saying there is none. But maybe that's like the start of the hint. I don't know. Okay. Let's keep going here. Let's close that. So, this library, Open PDF, is also what we saw there. So, Open PDF web vulnerability. It contain built-in security mechanisms to protect against all web vulnerabilities. When OpenPDF is used to generate PDFs from untrusted user-provided content, it can load images from local file paths. File. Interesting. Is this a PDF vulnerability? So, what happens if I go to this website? Now, CVSSM1, though, is strange. I don't know what that is referencing. I don't know if that's a DNS entry, or could it be a DNS entry? I've never seen an entry such as that. Let's try it like this. See if perhaps, does that load it? That does. So that is DNS. So let's add that to our DNS record. And the IP address of this is 10.201.2469 and CVSSM1. Very interesting. So this provides me with dummy PDF file. No page source. Dummy PDF. Now I want to actually go to this website again. Now I don't expect anything different. However, now I'm curious. What if I go to CDF PDF? And now if I go to just that. Not even like .com or anything of that sort. So I think we should go buster this. CVSSM1 word list equals, now this is the fun part. Can I do it from here? Nope. Share word lists, sec lists, discovery, web content, big.text. All right. So we'll let that enumerate. And now online library. What if we could PDF? And there's two PDFs. This one's called lorem.pdf. Now, what did this specifically say again? They accidentally left sensitive information behind. Okay. To the web application before heading out for the day. Okay. So, JavaScript. Okay. That's management. Okay, we're finding some stuff here. That was the right move then. JavaScript. Oh, whoops. PDF. Yeah. Now I'm not getting 200s though. So CVSSM1 JavaScript. But I gotta HTTP this. That's okay. Okay. Management. What does that take me to? But this is an access denied screen. So how does it know who I am? Is this a cookie? PHP. If I just delete this cookie, do I get the cookie again now? I do get the cookie again. Okay, let's see what burpsuite is. That's not burpsuite. Let's see what burpsuite is sending with this request. So let's turn this on. Let's turn this. Next, start PDF. Like, I wonder if I could enumerate that. You know what? I might try it. You know what? Let me just try it. Let me just try it. Web content, big.text. Let me go back to here, and let's just slash PDF. All right, we're gonna let that run. Whoops. All Alright, we are back. Today is a new day and I am returning to this challenge. Yesterday was a bit of reconnaissance on the extract room, and today we are diving in, and hopefully this is the completion of the room. So I already have the old website. I need to put the new IP address in here that I just generated, which is it the same? I don't think so. Let me pull up back my 10.201.115.59. So 201.115.59. All right, and we got try book me, and make sure my proxy's off for right now. And I believe we were trying to access management, and we got access denied. So I'm gonna run a burpsuite here. We're gonna turn my proxy on. We're gonna intercept. We are going to turn my Foxy proxy on. Okay, we're gonna refresh the page, and let's see what the request entails. So it looks like not too much. I need to run the GoBuster scan again. I don't have the information that I did yesterday, so we're gonna just run the GoBuster scan again. I also might want to run it on management as well, just to see if I'm able to enumerate any other sites. Sec lists, discovery, web content, and we're going to go with a big dot text. So we're going to see what directories that reveals. I'm going to put this off to the side here. I'm going to put my website there, and let's keep digging here and see what else I could find. So let me disable the proxy because I don't really need. Let me just send to repeater, just see what happens. I'm gonna forward it. Send. What happens? We just get CDN JS deliver. Okay. Nothing there, nothing there. List group items, and I'm seeing open PDF again. And I'm also seeing JavaScript was found. I wonder if I can get into that JavaScript at all. Open iframe, get element by ID, preview that PHP question mark URL, and then encode URI component URL. Let me let's take a look at that. Let me take off my proxy though. I don't need that to keep stopping me here. Let's go back here. Let's go to dummy. And is this view page source? Let's see what this reveals. And I should still have this in my, I might not. I might, oh no, I do. Okay, good. Good. That's still tracking to the right thing, which is kind of incredible. I got a new IP address. I can't believe that worked. Huh. Let me fix that. I don't know how that even worked. That's not the right IP anymore. The right IP is 10.201.115.59 CVSSM1. I can't believe that even worked. Maybe it's cached. Regardless, let's take a look here. So CVS PDF dummy. So if I look at this again, open PDF URL. So this function right here is performing preview.php and inserting this URL. So really what it's doing is there's a preview here, right? And then we get that URL. So I just want to do a test. If I just literally put this in, this should take me to the PDF. Okay. What if I do management instead? Now that's... Is that what the objective is? Oh, no. Access denied, though. Okay. How about JavaScript? Can I do that one? No. Preview PHP. Oh. Okay, well, I got the server status. I don't know how helpful that would be, though. So, Apache 2.4.58. I'll just check it for known vulnerabilities, but I don't think I'm going to find much here. Apache 2.4.58. That seems pretty modern to me. Okay. It's time to look at Apache, maybe. I don't know. I feel like that wouldn't be the objective of this room. So now, could I have just gotten to this normally though? That's what I don't know. Oh no, I can't. So okay, so that did get me to a location that was not accessible. So why can't PDF? Let me see what PDF is. PDF? Now, now I just don't know if now when I ran my nano or not nano, sorry, when I ran my nmap, I don't think let me do script vuln p. I really want to do all of them. So we'll have that running while I try to figure out this. Now I don't know if I should go buster this, because now I'm kind of curious. 22 and 80. That's what I kind of figured. Huh. Let me just try Go Buster. Let me try Go Buster. I'll make this bigger. Go Buster 10, 201, 115, 59. Preview.php URL equals HTTP. No, I put a... Oh, it has to escape? Is that why it's doing that? Preview.php question mark. Oh, okay, I had to escape to be able to do it. HTTP 10.201.150.59. Management? Or maybe I should just do it like that. Let me just do that. Word list equals user share word list. Oh my goodness, this is always such a fun thing to type. Web content big dot text. All right, so that's gonna. Please exclude the status code or like. How do I exclude the status code or length? Did this find anything else? I need to exclude the status code. How do I do that? Subdomain. Okay, let me see if I can get some help here, because I'm kind of stuck. We see a script that loads PDFs into iframe via preview.php. Oh. Oh. management. Holy shit. Holy shit. So what is this then? Password. I wonder if this might be test. It doesn't even tell you anything. Okay, how do I proceed? Now, would this be a brute force? Oh, this is a server-side forgery request vulnerability. So, what does that mean? Does that mean I could control this? So, I don't know if that's gonna work. I don't. That might be a little too generic. What I'm really curious about though is, can I actually just do a reverse shell? I don't think that's how it worked though. Let me just try it. Echo test to a test. HTTP server. I don't know. We're doing port 8000. Let me do that. 10.6.56 8000 test. Oh. Can this be a reverse shell then? I wonder if I could just reverse shell this. So, how do I just reverse shell this? Let me make a reverse shell. Because this would be, I don't even know PHP reverse shell. I could get the pen tester monkey reverse shell. Come on. Do I have proxy on? Let's do this. Come on. What are we doing here? Okay. Let's download this reverse shell. Man, 10 years ago they made this. I can't believe it's still so still used. Did I download it? Okay, wow. Move downloads. Where's PHP reverse? Okay, I have a million. I'm just gonna rename this real quick. PHP shell. Okay, nano. And let's do 10.16.22. We're gonna put this on lead because that's gonna be our reverse shell. We're gonna make a new one real quick. 137. We're gonna listen on that. Let's do Python 3. We're gonna serve it. Alright, and now let's go over here. And no, that's not what I want. I want to go here. Then I want to grab shell.php. And now, oh, but it didn't execute. Is there a way for me to get this to execute? they're recommending I do that. Oh, but I see. Server side replacement for file. Gopher. Okay, let me try Gopher. So this is what it wanted me to do. Oh, but I don't really see that it worked. I'm gonna open this up, make some notes here, just so rooms, and I'm gonna make some extract rules here. Now I don't know if that's what I was supposed to do. Do I have to I don't think I could do a path traversal. You know what? I wonder if I can actually pull this from 10, 6, 56, 192, 8,000 shell.php. Does it execute? Oh, I put hell. Oh, is it because I need to do this? Now, do I do it again? No. No, no, no. What? So, what this guy's doing is he's doing this. But I don't know what that means. Oh, and is he seeing what ports are available? Oh, that's cool. So, what this guy did is he's using a fuzz. So, I guess HTTP. Well, I guess I don't need to use Gopher for this one. I could just do this. And he's literally just going boop and seeing if it gives a response. And he said 10,000 in unauthorized access. Now, no, and that takes me back. Next static chunks. Look at these links. What is this? Custom API. This is terrible. Why is it like this? Wow, some of this stuff's like crazy. I can't believe they figured this stuff out. So, I should probably do the fuzz. I'm gonna do a fuzz because there's no chance I would have found this without fuzzing this. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a go bush. Or maybe I guess I could do just a okay, let me do a real fuzz. Let me do a extract fuzz. Okay. And we're doing HTTP 10.211.15.59 preview.php URL equals HTTP 127.0.0.0. No, it's one fuzz. And that's what I need fuzzed. Now, I don't think... I'm gonna actually do a... I have a better command here. It's called wfuzz. And this is you. And I just have to put the link in. I don't think I need this part. Okay. Then... the word list. I guess I should have made a word list for it first. Then HC404. Okay, that's fine though. So I need to make a word list real quick. Let me make a word list. I think it's seek. Might be seek. Seek, yeah. Seek. I need to find out how to put on a new line though. Huh. Seek 1 to 6,535. I think that's the. We're gonna call this list.text. Right? That's list.text. Oh, beautiful. That was easy. Easy, easy, easy. Okay. Nice. So let's go back here. Let's do my word list, and we're going to set it as list.text. Boom. No matches found, though. I don't know what's going on there. I need to go back to fuzz and see what that even said. Because I did not read it. Why is it not? Come on. There we go. And is it not you? Is that why? No, you is definitely the URL. HTTP. Maybe I just got a quotation mark it. I think maybe that's why. Did that work? There we go. But they're all giving me 200s. What would be... how would I identify when it works? How can I identify when it works? Like, obviously, I know it's port 10,000. But how would I know that? Okay, let's see what difference is with 10,000 here. Let's see. 10,000 has a 104W, 6,000 characters. Okay. So, let me look. Okay, obviously, that one was kind of easy to tell. Okay, I don't need to do that. No, whoa, way too quick. I'm going way too quick. Port 80 gave me a result. Word. Payload. Great. So port 80 gave me what I needed. I didn't see the port 10,000. I very quickly saw port 10,000. Where'd it go? Do I see it now? Is it not going in order? No, it's probably going at whatever speed. It's probably doing multiple threads. And do I see anything else? Trying to go slow. I did not go slow at all. Now, I guess this will tell me though, if I just keep my eye on it. I wonder if there's a way to just tell me if it has more than one word. Because they all have 0 words. So, let me see. wfuzz. By adding multiple -w flag. No. Contains. Basic. So, I mean, we obviously found port 10,000 through this. So, 10,000, right? Okay. Now we gotta figure out what this is. And I need to organize this because I don't. Clean up. Did I just see one? I just want to make sure I didn't just if I didn't just see one. Oh, that was just my mouse going crazy. Clean up code. That's not the right. Organize code? What is it called? I don't remember what the exact auto indent code. Auto format. There we go. Auto format code. Code beautifier. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's put this at the bottom again. I don't know why it keeps doing that. So we're gonna code beauty. What the hell is this? Oh my god, it looks terrible. Terrible. I wanted this to make it beautiful, not worse. Bruh. Okay. Opinionated. Come on. Well, let's load it up here. Please. Don't make me sign up. Don't make me sign up. Okay, good. Let's see what you got here. Oh my god, please. Please. Make it pretty. What are you doing? Buddy, all you gotta do is a doc type. And I don't even know what the hell this is. HTML. Meta, what the hell is that? Meta char set. I don't really speak HTML. Link. So we got CSS, data precedence, next. Okay. We got another chunk. JavaScript. There's a lot of JavaScript stuff here. I wonder if I could get to this next static chunks section. Oh, we got a script ending? And we got script starting. Oh, okay. It's just that stuff again. And then another one. It's almost fragmented. Script. Okay, we got a title of the page. Try book me API. Okay. I wish this wasn't so. I don't want to say it's obfuscated because it's not really obfuscated, but you know, it's kind of hard to read here. All right, so now we got the body, which is. Okay, header, h1, nav, style. Is that a list? Okay, we got a list. We're listing what? Oh, okay, this is the beginning. List. Custom API. We were struggling to get this custom API for some reason. We got another list item. No, we don't. That's the end of that one. New, go back, go back. Go back. nav. That's the end of nav too. That's the end of the header. Okay, we had new div. Alright, whatever. Oh my god. Is this all just nonsense from this point on? Is this just the CSS? Oh, script. I mean, I guess I might as well just wrap it up here. Since I already got this far with it. So, okay, H2. Warning. New paragraph. Unauthorized action is strictly prohibited. That's awesome. Strict. That. Oh my god, how long is this thing? What is this? Is this obfuscation to it? What the? Okay, so this. I don't know if that's a clue, if that's even helpful to me. However, let's see what we got. Can we get that far? This page can't be found. Static API? Custom API can't be accessed though. But what if I custom API here? And then, I mean, what if I just do slash custom API? I didn't think that was gonna work. I didn't even know what the So what do I do now? Oh, requesting. What? Requesting 127. Okay. Shows how did he know that? You know what? I'm gonna open this up in burpsuite because I feel like that might be able to help me right now. Let me put this on. Let's refresh the page. Let's send this to repeater so I can see the post. Or the 200 rather, not the post. So what did we get here? So it's basically organized this time. So I didn't have to manually organize this. This part right here is insane. Push. Self.next. That push. What is that? Polyfills. Underscore next. Self. I'm gonna look this up. No, I might need to take off my proxy. And maybe I can understand what it's doing if I understand. So Next.js. To send React server components. middleware authorization bypass. Bypass security checks in Next JavaScript middleware by sending a specially crafted HTTP request containing the internal X middle. That sounds insane. Really? So by sending what? There's no way they would just I don't think I understand this properly. Fucking go away. Do I have my proxy on? Okay. And it's saying literally just I don't even know what to put in here. Oh my god, can I type? Is that what I'm supposed to do? No. No. Let me do a refresh. Am I supposed to go to custom API though? Or was I supposed to go to okay. Oh jeez. Oh. Let's use repeater. Let me make that request again. Middleware, is that what it said to do? Oof. That definitely did not work. No, I don't need to do that. I don't need the reverse shell right now. Don't need beautifier, no. The X middleware sub request. Do I have proxy on right now? Oh my goodness, please. Intercept off. I mean, this seems like very simple. Repeater, middleware. I spelled it right. X dash middleware sub request. Okay, let's see how to do it. It's caused by the misuse of special internal HTTP header called X middleware sub request. Sub request. Okay, no, sub request is right. The header. Oh, is this an example? Do I just do this? Is this the command? I don't know. Repeat. Is that supposed to happen here? Unauthorized access. So that didn't work. I don't know what I'm supposed to type. Oh, wait. X middleware. What if I just copy this whole thing? Send. Does that work? No. Am I even supposed to do custom API? Was I supposed to just go here? Customer, no. Huh. Why am I so confused? I'm gonna try this again. Custom API. if I change it to like localhost and then send that? Get preview. I don't think this would work, but I'm gonna try it. I'm literally just trying to figure. Yeah, why the hell would that work? You know what I'm saying? Let me go back. Go back. What am I doing? I don't know what the hell. Send. Unauthorized access. I wonder if I'm supposed to actually go to this one instead. You know what? Let me drop this. Let me drop this. Turn my intercept back on. Let me go back here. Did that work? Oh, I didn't turn my this on. Let's go here. I'm gonna send this to repeater. Okay. Okay, maybe this just doesn't work. There. Host 127.0.0.1. No. Custom API. Refer. Is the refer screwing me? What if I just got rid of the refer? And did like, just got that out of here. No. Apache server at 127.7.0.1. Port 80. Well, I guess this was port 10,000. Send? Right, I didn't miss a port, did I? This guy's putting in 5,000, but I don't know why he's putting 5,000 in. Oh my god, I went way too more down. There we go. I'm not even seeing any data, even if 5,000 is here in front of me. I don't see 5,000, but I don't see any data for it regardless if the 5,000 was here. So why is he putting 5,000? That can't be right. Yeah. Like what? Location. Well, I guess that's not even what I need to be going to. I need to go to this, right? So if I refresh this, well, I don't really need to, disable proxy. API? Home. No. How do I get there? how do I get there? There's not a lot of help on the web for this room, so I got a tricky room. Of course, this has a paywall on it. Like, who is paying to view a walkthrough? Like, buddy, no one is. Not one person. Okay. I need to look up this CVE because I am so lost. Well, the CVE is right there. Okay, that's disabled. Oh my god, how useless. Next.js, middleware, bypass, vulnerability. Like, I don't have a login, except for this section right here. And this has a 404 not found. And this gives me, yeah, that just gives me that. Unauthorized access to the system is prohibited. What is this? What even is that? We could just drop that. Next.js is how we found that section. Is that what we did? So we got to custom API like this. So I'm trying to reach 127. Okay. So I'm trying to get to, because obviously this is some sort of authentication issue here. So drop. Turn that back on. And we're on port 10,000. And we're going to do custom API. Okay. Let me send that to the repeater. Repeat. Let me put my middle guy here. It's literally just that. There's nothing else to it. Accept? What the hell is accept? Did I erase something? Let me do this. Send. Failed to connect to 10.201.115.59. Why? Why did it fail to do that? Did I type it wrong? 201 115 59 custom AP. Woohoo, go ahead. Forward. Failure to connect. I might just gotta do this. Forward. But the request URL is not found on this server. I'm like losing my mind here. What? Send to repeater. Send. X middleware. How is it not finding it? I don't get it. I do not get it. So host 127 5000. That's what this guy keeps putting. But I don't know why it'd be 5,000. It'd be 10,000. And like it's giving me, why wouldn't that work? I don't understand. What if I just literally get rid of the cookie too? Get rid of everything. Accepting coding, a user agent. I go straight connection keep alive. Nothing. Nothing. 5,000. What the hell is going on? Get custom API. Dude, I don't know at all why this isn't working. This makes no sense. Is this just not the vulnerability? Oh, he built like a proxy. Oh. Oh. So I gotta go back. I gotta use this link. If I go here, what happens? Proxy. We wrote that. So I really should just repeat this, right? This should be what I'm repeating. And if we go to repeater, I put this stupid middleware thing back. Come on, where is it? I'm just gonna copy this, guys. So it's easy to copy. This has to work. Why is it not working? Dude, this makes no sense. Okay, let me see if it's any of this stuff. But you know what? Maybe I could change the host. Let me change the host. 10,000. Send. Is that what all it was? No. How strange. Middleware. X-middleware-sub request. This is crazy. How am I not able to find this? Okay, finally, I found another article here. Let's see, because I'm stuck. This guy also built a proxy. Why do we need a proxy? I don't see what the point of this proxy is. Building an SSRF Gopher proxy. Since we can't access the port directly. Okay. Lame. Okay. I skipped out on a step here. How to build a Python proxy. I might just use ChatGPT for this, to be honest. Oh my god. Is this what I need to do? I'm totally about to use a ChatGPT proxy. Okay, wait, no, we're just going to ChatGPT here. Because I don't want to. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT will aid me, or if it will say, "You can't be hacking. You're out of your mind." Okay, I'm just gonna copy this guy's proxy because ChatGPT is not helping me. Nano proxy dot py. Okay. Do I have to change that? I don't think I have to change it just yet. I have to So I use it like this: Python 3 proxy port 4000 target. Oh, excuse me. P host. Okay. 10.201.115.59. P host. Really? Port 10,000? How would this work? I didn't even spell it right. Okay. So, what am I doing? Am I going to 4,000? Python proxy. What? Oh, it actually wants me to go to 124,000 custom API. Did I put the right 201, 115, 59? What am I supposed to do right now? Oh my goodness, this is way too confusing right now. 10. So I have this proxying to 127.0.0.1:10,000 via 10.2.1.115.59. Target host to proxy 127.0.0.1 port 10,000. What in the world am I doing? All right, let's try 5. Because I don't understand 5. Why would this work? Now, by visiting in the browser, we can access normally. However, we only see the message unauthorized access to the system. Why? What did I just do to change it? What? Okay. Yeah, like what? Okay, let me just turn proxy on and see what happens now, because this apparently is what's supposed to happen. So if I send this to repeater, repeat, send. I get a temporary redirects. Okay, so. Oh my god. Okay, so now we can actually access it, and it's doing whatever it's supposed to be doing. So now we get the middleware, next generation software, whatever, JavaScript, and then this do the bypass authentication. Holy cow. I don't think I even did it. Oh, maintenance. Oh, look at that. Nice. Finally. Alright, that is... I don't even know. I think that's just part 1. Okay, so that's 1 flag down. Please use the library portal to add new books using librarian. So, I think we gotta go to maintenance now, because I think that's where we logged in. So let me go to maintenance. Maintenance? It might not be that. I might have to go back to the normal method here. Let me get out of here. Let me take off the proxy, because that was weird. That was really weird. That was unusual. So we had the proxy to be able to actually get that. That was interesting. So now we are going to the, if we are able to here, if I don't take that off. Okay, so we got access denied still. But I was able to get to this before. How did I do it? Did I do management? Is that how I did it? No. No. Was it this? There we go. So now if I just do librarian. Right. I should probably echo that. Lib. Alright, we got librarian. Alright, and did I even type that right? Who knows? L1 BR4 R1IAN. That is definitely right, but that did not work. Why didn't that work? Let me try that again. I wonder if they use the proxy. I'm gonna type it again. L1 BR4 R1. Okay, we're gonna try with the proxy again because I think it's doing something. So let's turn that back on. So what am I doing? I'm doing 127 management. Oh, no, I gotta do 5,000 then management. And I think I got turn. Do I got to turn this off? I do not. But I'm getting a 404. Why am I getting a 404? Why am I getting a 404? Oh! Oh. This is port 80. This is port 80. And boom. Boom. Oh. Let me try that again. What? How is it possibly in use? Oh my goodness. Fine, we'll make it. Alright. So we're gonna do this. Management. Are we gonna get in? The great story. Great. Great. So, what, let's get out of here. Cat lib. I need that password again. Librarian. Did we get in, or do I have to do more? Oh my god. L1 BR4 R1AN. Librarian. Save. Don't make me type that again. Dude. What? Oh my god. I literally copied it wrong. Dude. Maybe this whole thing was working though. I didn't even need the proxy. That's frustrating. I need to pay more attention. That could have been a whole, like, 1 hour long. Okay. How are we gonna get sick? This is a brute force. Like, how am I supposed to do that? Auth token. What are these values? Maybe I should translate this, see if I can. What is this? Google. Do I have my proxy on? No. Translate hex to text. I don't even know if this is exactly hex either. I'm guessing it's hex though. And we got the hex. Convert. Oh my god. Come on. I probably could use this as well. Beautiful. Let me just burpsuite this. Yes. Maybe I should put a code in. 6. Intercept. Oh my god. Drop, 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 drop. What is it doing? What is it pulling it from? Go away. Drop, 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 drop. Chop all. Oh my god, go away. Okay. Ready? Let's see what this generates. So this is the auth token. Send to repeater. And then it sends what? Okay. Enter two-factor. Verify. Invalid two-factor code. Oh. Validated B:0. Huh. Validated. Oof. Oof. Is there... post management? Bad request. Whoops, I need to... Tufa? I don't get it. Let me let's forward that. Let's refresh. Let's get a new one. Invalid two-factor code. Let's set that. Let's go back to proxy, send to repeater, repeat this, make that bigger. Okay. Two-factor. enter your two-factor, blah, blah, blah. How does it even know? In the auth token class? So I'll be honest, this is, I don't think I would have guessed. I don't know how I would know to do this. Let me try this. Set cookie token. Send? I didn't think that was gonna work. What? This gets more and more confusing. How would I even? Let's go back to this. In the auth token class. But what? Oh, I have to do it before this. Intercept. Let me go back. Okay, let me turn the proxy back on. Login. And then let me repeat this. Send the repeater. Repeat, send. Set cookie. Request cookies. This. What the hell does this say? Validated. So, what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to copy this? Expires Friday. You can simply try to modify the cookie by setting the validated property to oh my god. Oh my god. No. No way. Was it that simple? Was it really that simple? Oh my god. It's not that, is it? Oh my god. Okay, I need to fucking copy this. I need to copy this. Oh my god. I can't believe it was that simple. I'm gonna change this forward. I think I might still have to do the I think I still have to do hello. Oh, I just think I need to just do this. I just need to update it forward. What are we doing here? Whatever. Before that too. Yes. Woohoo! Oh my god. So that was definitely very hard. Oh my god, that's very loud too. Alright, here, I'm just gonna show it. Woohoo! We did it. We extract complete. So that was very, very hard. Oh my god. Thank you guys for joining me. I learned quite a lot about that one. I'm using proxies. My notes are gonna be pretty big for this one. Alright. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a nice weekend.